Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark, and in this video, we're going to show you how you can accept ratings and reviews on your LearnDash courses. So this will give your students a way to rate your courses, and this rating, along with any feedback they show in their review, can be shown on your course pages to any prospective buyers. So it's a useful tool to show real-life feedback to anyone who might be interested in your courses, just to show that you have really great content on there. So what I'm going to do from the admin area here is go to the dashboard and then head to LearnDash LMS and then add-ons. And LearnDash have a free add-on here called LearnDash Course Reviews. And that's the one we're going to be using for this. It says the LearnDash Course Reviews add-on allows course participants to easily leave reviews of their in-progress or completed courses. So what I'm going to do is click on install here. And then once that's installed, we'll scroll to the top and we can see that we can activate it here by clicking on this plug icon. And now that that's activated, by default, all of our courses will have reviews enabled. So let's take a look at what that means. I'm on a standard course page as it was before. This is using Astra theme here. And if I now refresh it, what we'll find is that we now have two tabs here: course, which contains the course information, and reviews, which would show any reviews of the course. And this is shown to me as a logged in student here, but likewise, anyone who wasn't logged in would be able to see this as well and be able to see any reviews that people have left. So notice that even though I'm a logged in learner at the moment, I can't submit a review. It says you must have started this course to submit a review. And by that, it means that I need to have completed at least one piece of content on the course. So I'm just going to do that now by clicking on Mark Complete. So I've just completed one of the lessons there. So what I'm going to do is switch back to the course homepage now and head over to the Reviews tab. And now we can see that we've got the option to leave a review and post a review on this course. So I'll just say, great course. And I'm going to mark that with a star rating here, but notice that you can select any of these. I'm going to give it 5 stars, and I'll say this had some great content. I learned a lot. And I'm going to post the review now. What it does is it refreshes the page, and at the moment I've got that in there as I can see my review. But as an admin, you have control over whether that review is displayed or not. So what I'm going to do is switch back to my admin account here. And the interesting thing about the LearnDash Course Reviews add-on is it uses WordPress's own comments functionality here. So what you'll find is that the reviews appear in here. So you can see here, John Smith, had some great content. I learned a lot. And depending on whether or not we want that to show on the course, we can unapprove it if we don't want it to appear there. And likewise, we could approve it again. I believe we'll probably have some scope to be able to edit that as well here. Yeah, so we can change wording and ratings if we want to. But note that we have control over whether that is shown on the profile or not. So I just unapproved that. So let's just switch back here and refresh it. And we'll see that that review has now dropped off. And likewise, within the comments section as an admin here, I can approve it and refresh that. And we'll see that that now appears back in. Now, whether or not these appear by default is likely to do with your WordPress comment settings. So notice there I submitted that as a learner and it appeared on the site straight away. But you might be able to make it so that they are held for approval by heading to settings and then discussion in your WordPress platform here. And there are some options here as to what prerequisites people would need to have to be able to review, and you might be able to switch on things like comment author must have to have previously approved comments, and comments must be approved manually. So these settings might affect the way comments behave and who can submit them by default on your platform. If you did want to completely remove a comment, then you could unapprove it, but also trash it in the same way you would a comment or any other post type, and then just delete it from your platform, and then that will be gone from your system. So here, like that video, reviews are a great way to show off your courses and get honest feedback from your learners. So this is a great feature from LearnDash, a nice free add-on that they've provided here. If you like the video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to the Training Spark YouTube channel.